hiccup.
Aiden's got the hiccups. That's right. Aiden, do you have the hiccups? Yeah?
Oh.
Was that another hiccup? Uh-oh.
Hiccup.
Hiccup?
Oh, hiccup.
Aiden, hiccup. Oh my goodness.
Oh, hiccup.
Oh, I didn't hear that one.
Oh, hiccup.
You do have the hiccups, so you've had them for a while, haven't you? Were they scary, weren't they, at first? Look at Mommy. I think they might be all done. Oh, no, that was a hiccup. Oh, you're saying cheese. You think that I'm taking a picture. You're silly. I'm taking a video, honey. Aiden, no more hiccups? Are they all done?
No. Oh, hiccup.
I heard that one.
Oh, hiccup.
Yeah.
Oh, hiccup.
Silly, silly hiccups, aren't they? Any more? Oh, that was a big one. Oh, no more. We're all done? Oh, I see. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Oh, hiccup. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Bye, Aiden.